Okay, we're gonna talk about this Nissan 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. We have a problem with a code po101. Whenever you're working on Nissan, trying to fix the master flow code, don't buy sensors from your local stores. They will not work. You gotta go to Nissan. You gotta get it straight from Nissan. And even if your parts store, AutoZone, it sells the one almost look like, it's Hitachi from AutoZone. It will not work. You gotta get it from Nissan. I tried many different sensors. They do not work. So you gotta get this one. For this one, 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Go buy this one. It's gonna be like $300, but that's the only way you're gonna fix it. This will fix your transmission shifting, your low idle. It feels like you need a transmission. It feels like it's gonna stall, and you definitely want to get the original. In any Nissan that you work, you gotta get original parts. Sadly, that's how it works. Well, if you like Nissan, you gotta spend the money. Alright, original parts only on Nissan.